So here's allergy season. Allergy season is in full effect. Springtime. Beautiful time of the year. The worst thing it is on them allergies. Have you ever been driving and started sneezing? Like you cannot do both. Either you gonna drive or you gonna sneeze. And I don't mean like you just driving on a regular street and you got a light or maybe you could pull over. I'm talking about like on a freeway or something. It's happened to me several times since allergy season started. Sneezing and driving, worst shit ever.